First question is relation R is given, which is AC, ZZ, AA, BY, CC and NB. First of all, we will see that this relation is reflexive or not. So we know for a relation, if it wants to be reflexive, first element of set must have relation with each other. So we will see A has relation with A, Z has relation with Z, but B does not have relation with B. C has relation with C, and N also does not have relation with N. So if we have to make this relation reflexive, we have to add BB and NN. So if we add BB and NN, relation will be AC, ZZ, AA, BY, CC, NB, and we will add BB and NN. Now this relation is reflexive. In this question, set A is given, which is 1, 2, 3. So R will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2. So in this relation R, we can see this relation R is reflexive because 1 has relation with 1, 2 has relation with 2, 3 has relation with 3, 1, 3, 2, 3 all has relation with each other. So this relation is reflexive. This relation also satisfies for symmetric relation, because for symmetric relation, if A and B belongs to R, then B and A must belong to R. So here 1, 3 belongs to R, also 3 and 1 also belongs to R. So this relation is symmetric. Relation R is given, that is AZ, BY, CC, AA, YY, ZA and YB. This relation is symmetric because we know the condition of symmetric relation is if AB belongs to R, then BA must belong to R. So here AZ belongs to R and ZA also belongs to R. BY belongs to R, YB also belongs to R. CC, AA and YY also belongs to R. So this relation is symmetric. And also this relation is not reflexive because A has relation with A, B does not have relation with B. So and Z also does not have relation with Z. So if we want this relation to reflexive, then we have to add ZZ and BB in this relation. So if we add this in this relation, we will get AZ, BY, CC, AA, YY, ZZ, ZA, YB, ZZ, BB. Now this relation is reflexive because A has relation with A, B has relation with B, C has relation with C, Y has relation with Y and Z has relation with Z. So this relation is reflexive relation as well as symmetric relation. Here relation R is given, which is AB, CA, BZ and AZ, and this is transitive relation because we know the condition of transitive relation as A. If AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, then AC must belongs to R. So we will see how this relation is transitive relation. Here AB belongs to R, BZ also belongs to R. Therefore, as per condition, AZ also must be belongs to R. So AZ belongs to R. So this relation is transitive relation. Relation R is given, which is 5, 4, 2, 5, 7, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 4, 4 and 1, 1. we want this relation to be symmetric relation, but this is not a symmetric relation because 5 4 4 5 2 5 is there, 5 2 is also there, but 7 3 is there, but 3 7 is not there. So this is not a symmetric relation. But if we want this relation to be symmetric, we have to add 3 7. So if we add 3 7 in this relation, we will get 5 4 2 5 7 3 4 5 5 2 4 4 1 1 and 3 7. Now this fulfills the condition of symmetric relation, which is if AB belongs to R, then BA must belongs to R. So 5 4 belongs to R, 4 5 also belongs to R, 2 5 belongs to R, 5 2 also belongs to R, 7 3 belongs to R, 3 7 also belongs to R. So this is symmetric relation. We can say that this relation is transitive relation because 9 10 belongs to R and 10 9 also belongs to R. Therefore 9 9 must belongs to R. Therefore 9 9 belongs to R. Therefore this relation is transitive relation. Is PQR. So our relation R will be PP, PQ, PR, QQ, QP, QR, RR, RP and RQ. So let us consider PQ belongs to R and QR belongs to R. So as per condition of transitive relation, PR must be in the relation. So here PR is in relation. So this is transitive relation.